If we take a look at the global building industry, there is a defining challenge that needs to be solved. How can we dramatically increase energy efficiency? The answer to that question depends on where you look. Here in the Asia-Pacific region, for example, the possibilities in the building industry are probably more substantial right now compared with anywhere else. But why is that, you may ask? Right now we see broad attention to energy efficiency, which includes both building owners and building users. And the demand is far from limited to political regulation initiatives. Building owners acknowledge that market demands for green buildings, and in this regard, the increased appeal to reduce energy consumption in HVAC and water systems, as well as reduced operational costs and a general boost in the building performance. We see this happens in almost all sectors of the building industry, from public, commercial and healthcare sectors to education and office building sector. In some sectors, this is further boosted by consumers and users that are strongly motivated to take an active part in the fight against climate change and reducing carbon emissions. In the hospitality sector, for instance, we are now seeing growing demand for differentiation in the market by being green and sustainable choice. When you work with Grundfos, you're working with an established global industry leader. And as a market leader, we play a leading role in driving energy efficiency. Every day we strengthen that commitment by continually innovating to identify the most energy efficient materials and technologies in the market. By further developing our well-established and reliable products and solution portfolio, and by growing our wealth and experience and know-how across the market. It all comes together in a global effort to reach net zero. In an Asian Pacific context, that means Grundfos solutions and technologies will help position you in the forefront of the energy efficiency agenda and as a leader in the development of a more sustainable and energy efficient buildings. Today our journey to energy efficiency means we are transitioning from traditional S-pumps to E-pumps, and a key enabler of this is our MLE Motors. It is equipped with variable frequency drive that intelligently control the flow according to the system demands, boosting efficiency to the maximum. The MLE motor has reached the highest efficiency level of IE5, so it can deliver the maximum energy savings and a significant reduction in carbon dioxide emission. Our intelligent Grundfos E-solutions with IE5 motors are available in our core products, such as inline and in-suction pumps, as well as in our traditional booster systems like Multi-E and Hydro MPC. Now I'd like to take you through some of the specific solutions that we can offer to you here in Asia Pacific. Let's start with the NK pumps. Many of you probably know our classic LS and NK range. The new NK version that is being launched is upgraded. Stainless steel impellers increase the efficiency even further, providing you with maximum performance and energy efficiency. And when our permanent magnet MLE motor is equipped with built-in converters and sensors, there is no need for extra costly investments. It's what I like to call an all-in-one solution. Pump efficiency is, without doubt, crucial for energy efficiency. But true pump efficiency goes beyond the simple pump. We need to optimize the whole pump system. And that's where our distributed pump solution, DiPu, comes into play. I think it's a powerful example of pump innovation. And distributed pumping is a game changer for connecting components in commercial buildings. Here's why. Typically, chilled water systems are designed for peak loads and critical branch pressure. However, peak loads only occurs 1 to 3% of an average building's lifetime, and supply line pressure is high and determined by the critical pressure point. Add to this that poor commissioning leads to a system performance issue, and you are looking at numerous challenges from balancing issues to poor dynamic flow regulation. This leads to severe energy loss, inadequate climate control, and often uncomfortable indoor environment. The distributed pumping system is a very simple concept. It removes the control and balancing valves and replaces them with intelligent, maintenance-free pumps. This means the system is designed with components that generate pressure only when and where it is needed. In this way, each zone in chilled water system can be decentralized and automatically rebalanced 24/7. One of the many benefits of Grundfos distributed pumping is that the solution can be installed in both new buildings and in existing buildings. If you take a closer look on existing buildings, what can be done to increase energy efficiency? It all starts with the energy check. A regular energy check, an audit of your pump system, gives you an easy to understand assessment of your pumps. The detailed analysis provides the following: potential savings based on nameplate data, so you don't need to stop your operation, not even for a minute. Recommendation based on number crunching, the possibility to replacing inefficient pumps with a more efficient pumps that consumes less energy and reduce the carbon emission. These are the advanced energy optimization tools we offer to help you evaluate your pump system and identify opportunities for continuous improvement that will reduce energy consumption and increase reliability. Energy optimization also lowers your operating cost by reducing wear and tear and extending your solution lifetime. It's the perfect way to complete the energy efficiency loop and ensure maximum efficiency throughout your operation. I hope you found these solutions inspiring. To me, they show the many possibilities that we already have at our disposal when it comes to increasing energy efficiency, reducing complexity, and working smarter in general. At Grundfos, we are determined to be the best partner when it comes to making energy-efficient HVAC and water installations in your commercial buildings. And our determination goes beyond just delivering pump systems and technology services. That's why we have committed to the Science Based Targets initiative, signing an obligation to reach net zero in 2050. And that doesn't just go for our own operation, but also for the systems that we deliver and that are commissioned in every building and country where we are active. Because the net zero target is not something that we can achieve on our own, we need to work together with you, our customers, and with operators, designers, and suppliers. That's why our commitment also goes for the projects we deliver in Indonesia, Japan, the Philippines, Thailand, Malaysia, and every other country in our region. The solution using our e-pumps, we know that we can deliver the performance, energy efficiency, and value that promised in our pumps and systems. And we are willing to take shared responsibility through new business models. Let me give you an example of how that works with what we call Grundfos Energy Earnings business model. The basic idea is that we make energy savings an integrated part of our financing offer in an energy optimization project. So instead of getting the entire installation financed upfront, some of the energy savings that are realized once the system is operational becomes a part of our financing. In essence, that means we only get full payment once the savings estimated in the project phase are achieved. What I hope you will take away from this event is that we are looking forward to building an even stronger energy efficiency partnership with you. We are striving for a partnership that builds on 3 key pillars: a collaborative approach to making successful energy optimized installations, supplying world-leading technology, pump systems, and services right where you need them, an ambition to achieve real best of both worlds results, substantial energy savings, and improved system performance. I hope you'll welcome our next steps as we look forward to engage in direct discussions with each of you. We look forward to bring our latest solutions to you, including our high-efficiency e-pumps, so stay tuned in the coming months. It's time to speed up the journey towards greater energy efficiency. So let's work together. Let's energize tomorrow. Thank you very much.